how to create custom fields and create a form in GetResponse with custom fields. So first we're here, we're gonna log into our GetResponse account. Just hit login. Okay, once you're logged in, you're gonna come in here and go into forms and pop-ups. So if you scroll down here, you can see the forms. You're gonna create a new form. We want an embedded form. And now we're actually going to go to a blank template, click a sign up for a mailing list. So we're going to use this template. So in this template, once you create the sign up form, what you can see is if I click in here, I can go to fields. If I scroll down, you can see add custom fields. If I hit this drop down feature, I have created custom fields already. So I'm going to show you now how to do that. So we're in GetResponse. I also want to make sure you know that if you're in GetResponse and you have a contact form and you're trying to create custom fields, you cannot do that in a contact form. It's fairly standard, but in a sign up form, so if you come in here and do the sign up form, you come in here and now go to fields, you can do custom fields. So just a little thing you should know. So we're in here. We want to create custom fields, right? So come to here, custom fields. How do we add a new custom field? So we're going to come into GetResponse. We're going to change this. We hit the tools here. We're going to go into actually contacts here. And then in here, we're going to come over to custom fields. Pretty straightforward, right? So we're going to go to create a custom field, for example. So depending on what we want, we can do that. And here we have country, we have currency, we have date, we have time, gender, IP addresses, numbers, phone, text. Let's just do a text. And we're going to do custom field. Custom field, right? Just an example. So now we can choose from multi-answers, multiple answers, single answer, a single answer, line of text, or paragraph, right? Depending on what you want. So let's just do a single answer drop down. So now we have options here. We can come in here and then create that. So we just add, let's go large, medium, small, whatever, big, it doesn't matter. So then you just hit save. Once you hit save, now this custom field will be created. I'm not going to do that because I don't need this. So in here, so for example, let's go find one of my custom fields for supplement brands. So let's click on this. If I want to edit this, I just come over to three dots and hit edit. You can see this supplement brands. It's a text field. It's multiple answers. And you can see in here, if I ever want to edit these, I can come in and then just come in and start editing them, adding more additional fields here. So if I have a list of supplements that I want to add or brands of supplements in here, I find that in here and I'm on Progena. So let me just go into the next supplement I want to add. So I just copy and paste that one in, then the next one. Right? So then if I want to save that, and that's my entire list, I just hit save, right? And now that's saved. So now if I go back to my form, I'm in here and I can click on this button and I can go to fields. I can go to custom fields and go sup brands. Now that comes up and this huge list pops up here, right? So that's all the selections they can use. And then now I can hit create. I can save this form, right? I can hit next. And then now I can, sup list selection, right? I can add that. I'll be able to put in the website I want it. If I want it on a specific page, I can add that. It's going to give me code here for the embed form, and then I can add that code to the site that I want. But that's how you add custom fields and create a sign up form to add it to your website. If you have any questions, let me know if you need any help. Obviously, I get VAs to do my work for me, and if you need a VA that's qualified and knows how to do things, we train them, teach them, make sure they understand what you need, from everything from managing websites to managing ads, email marketing, texting, calling, all that stuff under the sun, sales service, you name it. If you want help, reach out and we can create a system in place for you to have success with VAs that can add more freedom to your lifestyle. All right, take care. Bye.